Our next caller is Mary from Macon. Hi, Mary.
Hi, how are you doing?
Doing well. How are you?
I'm doing good tonight.
Good. Go ahead with your question.
My question is we were, my niece and my brother were on a private road in front of a store off of Zebulon Road, and the lady ran the stop sign and she was T-boned. Now, the police officer wrote it up, but how will the insurance company view that since it was private property? Will they view it as her fault since she was not charged with failure to yield the right-of-way?
Okay.
The investigating officer doesn't have to charge someone in order for fault to be, that for the accident to be that person's fault. So I wouldn't worry too much about that. Were the two of you hurt?
No.
Okay. So you're more concerned about the property damage?
Correct.
Okay. And did the investigating officer assign a contributing factor for the wreck?
On the report, he just put what the lady stated and what we stated.
Okay.
Which was that she ran the stop sign, I presume?
Yes, that was on the report, that she had a stop sign, but we didn't.
And did she admit that?
Yes, she did.
Okay. Yeah, you should be in pretty good shape, and I would go ahead and be in touch with her insurance carrier and start that conversation. But you should be okay there.
And one thing David and I were talking about before the show started, and that was what happens with property damage. This looks like, since neither of you were hurt, it's going to be a property damage only claim. And you have some teeth that we didn't have several years ago. First of all, there's diminution in value that you could. What year car was it your sister's?
It was my niece's car. It's a 2003.
2003. Okay. Probably will not be a lot of diminution in value, but obviously a later model car, and even a 2003, is not going to be worth quite as much as it would have been if it had never been in a wreck. So you've got diminution in value is an issue that you should talk about. That's not going to be real great with a car that's now 8 years old.
Right.
But from a property damage standpoint, you want to insist that it's done properly. You have a right to take it to who you want to take it to. There are a lot of shops that insurance companies work with, and those are good shops and qualified shops, but there'll probably be several different ones that you can go to and take that car to have it fixed.
Welcome back, everybody. If you'd like to reach David Bullard, here's how. He's right here in Macon. You can reach him with Edwards and Bullard Law, and the number is 478-254-3519, or visit his website at edwardsandbullardlaw.com. And Mr. Horne is also here in Macon. He's with Reynolds, Horne Survant. You can reach him at 478-405-0300, toll-free 1-800-537-3238, or visit Wendell's website at reynoldsinjurylaw.com.